more difficult to save these days for retirement. Iba na kasi yung panahon ngayon compare sa noon.
Magulang ng 2 anak na wala pang 30 taong gulang sina Rima de la Cruz. Aniya, mas mahirap ngayon sa kanyang edad na 55 ang mag-ipon para sa retirement.
It takes more sacrifice and discipline now so that we are not only thinking about our own retirement but also the future of our children.
Ayon sa pinakabagong BMO Retirement Survey na nilabas Lunes, naniniwala ang 7 sa bawat 10 Canadian na mas mahirap ang saving for retirement ngayon kumpara nung panahon ng kanilang mga magulang. Mula November 4 hanggang November 10 nung nakarang taon, 1,500 Canadians ang lumahok sa survey na ginawa ng Polera Strategic Insights para sa BMO Bank of Montreal. Sa mga taong na-survey na gustong makapagbigay tulong pinansyal sa kanilang mga anak, 83% ang nagsabi na ang paggawa nito ay maaaring magkaroon ng negatibong epekto sa kanilang retirement plans.
Having to depend on yourself for financial management, and that of course made more complex by the rising cost of everything else nowadays. Not just groceries but also utilities and of course the basic necessities.
77% naman ng mga na-survey naniniwalang mas magiging mahirap pa ang retirement para sa susunod na henerasyon.
We know that it's very difficult for our children to acquire property with the Gen Z and the millennial children. So that has become a top priority for us.
Mga retirement tips na ibinigay ng BMO, planuhin ng maaga ang long-term financial goals, kasama rito ang pagtitipid. Gawin raw ito gastos para sa sarili. Isang bagay na sinimulan daw ni De La Cruz at ng kanyang asawa 10 taon na ang nakalipas.
And make it a point that there is a certain percentage of our earnings that go to savings and investments. And I was hoping to retire, of course, ideally at 60. And sana, pagdating nung time na yon na retire na kami, we get to do the things that we love doing now but aren't really doing frequently. Like we hope to be able to travel more, to visit homeland or Philippines.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Surrey.